guys, Rain and Horn have been asked to run another charity event on the Mornington Peninsula, which we're glad to be a part of. Andrew Wesley has been accepted to running the New York Marathon. Condition of his entry, though, is that he must raise $10,000 for a charity of his choosing. He's chosen the Red Kite Foundation, which we're going to find out about during the course of the night, and we're very excited to be a part of it. Let's see what unfolds. In first place on 68 points was Phil Oman's team. So, we got an $800 bike. We have no reserve. I'm looking out to this room. I'm looking for a pretty fair, a pretty reasonable start. Who wants it for 50 bucks? A bike for the kids, I have one, and I'll take 50 from there at 100, yes. 450 here on an $800 bike, knows the deal when she sees it. First, second, third at 450 at the front, sold, done, congratulations. 350 I have, first, second, third, final, all done, silent. 350 to Eddie, thank you Eddie. We're at 1,050 for a $1,500 phone for charity for this man who has put this entire night on for you guys. Is there a single dollar out there for a good cause? Sold to Andrew for $1,050. Well, guys, it has been an absolutely fantastic night. Before we even completed the live auctions, we broke our target. The live auctions took us well over the top. Just a massive thank you to everyone that's been involved. It's been an honour for us to be involved, from Rain and Horn to Andrew to Red Kite. Congratulations. What a fantastic cause. We look forward to doing the next one with our community.